Hi, my name is Sue Lurie and I'm a lecturer on BA Honours Graphic Design at Arts University Plymouth. On our course, you'll explore a dynamic world of graphic design and how it influences modern life. From clothing labels and brand packaging to app interfaces, we want to help you become a catalyst for change through the innovative use of visual communication, bringing together traditional and hybrid design methods. Our teaching focuses on developing your skills in print and digital graphics, motion graphics, typography, brand identity and more. A collaborative approach to our studios and workshops will encourage you to get creative in a community of creatives who share the same passion for design. Your studies with us will be full of live projects, collaborative experiences and industry immersion. You'll have the opportunity to work on real-world projects and connect with renowned brands like Getty Images and JDO Raw and others. You can choose from career paths in graphic design, advertising, UX design and more. Our graduates have gone on to work with clients such as BBC, Greenpeace and Sky in a variety of in-house or freelance roles as graphic designers, motion designers, marketing and brand roles and more. You'll have access to industry standard resources at Arts University Plymouth, from screen printing and illustration workshops to purpose-built animation studios. Enjoy state-of-the-art digital production equipment and in-house printing bureau, Adobe Creative Cloud software and specialised facilities for hands-on learning in graphic design. Plymouth is an artistically vibrant city. It's a haven for aspiring creatives. The city is a culturally rich community that nurtures personal and professional growth in a safe and affordable environment, with a dynamic cultural scene including museums, galleries, shopping and indie cafes, as well as stunning natural landscapes. Plymouth seamlessly combines urban living with outdoor adventures, from easy and fast connections to major cities such as Bristol and London, to tranquil seaside scenery. It's all within walking distance of Arts University Plymouth. Join us at Arts University Plymouth and transform your passion for art into a thriving career. Unleash your creative potential, dive into limitless possibilities, and become part of a vibrant community shaping the future of contemporary art. To find out more about our graphic design course, follow the link in the description and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.